In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Coursera Hub app, login errors quickly and safely. By the end, you'll know the exact steps to follow, along with helpful tips to make each step work smoothly. First, start with basic troubleshooting. Make sure you're entering the correct login details. Double check for extra spaces, typos, or the wrong keyboard language, and confirm that caps lock isn't on. If you use a password manager, let it autofill to reduce mistakes. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. Switch to a reliable Wi-Fi network if you can, or move closer to your router. If you're on mobile data, look for a steady signal and turn off airplane mode or any active VPN that might interrupt the connection. If that doesn't resolve it, clear the app's cache. Cached data can become outdated and block a clean login. On many Android devices, you can go to your device settings, find the Coursera app, and clear its cache. On some devices and versions of iOS, you may see an in-app option to clear temporary files. The goal is simply to remove stored data that might be conflicting with the current login process without deleting your account or course progress. Next, update both the Coursera app and your device's operating system. Open your App Store and install the latest Coursera update, which often includes bug fixes for login issues. Then check your device's system update page and apply any available OS updates. Keeping both the app and your device current reduces compatibility problems and improves security. If the issue persists, consider whether you might have duplicate accounts. It's common to accidentally create separate accounts by signing up once with an email and another time with a social login. Think about how you originally registered and try that same method again. If you've previously connected your account to Google or Facebook, try logging in with that button instead of entering your email and password. This can bypass mismatched credentials and take you straight into the correct account. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Coursera support. When you reach out, share the exact error message you're seeing, your device type, your app version, and what you've already tried. Avoid sending any sensitive information. Clear details help support pinpoint the problem faster and suggest a precise fix. Follow these steps in order, take your time with each one, and you should be back into your courses without hassle. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your access restored.